Onset establishes itself as a highly refined and thoughtfully executed online shopping platform that delivers an exceptional balance of usability, visual appeal, and consistent performance, making it a truly satisfying destination for modern consumers. From the very first visit, the platform creates a strong impression with its sleek, contemporary interface that feels both elegant and practical, ensuring that users can immediately begin browsing without any learning curve or confusion. The navigation system is clearly structured and intelligently organized, allowing users to move effortlessly between categories, discover products organically, and locate specific items with ease. This intuitive flow significantly enhances the overall experience, making the process of online shopping feel natural rather than overwhelming. One of the most striking aspects of Onset is how seamlessly it performs across different sections, with pages loading quickly, elements responding smoothly, and interactions feeling polished at every step, which reflects a well-optimized and technically sound platform. The product selection itself appears diverse and carefully curated, offering a wide spectrum of options that cater to varying styles, preferences, and everyday needs, which not only adds value but also encourages users to explore beyond their initial intent. Each product page is presented with clarity and simplicity in mind, ensuring that essential details are easy to understand, helping users make confident purchasing decisions without unnecessary complexity or hesitation. The checkout experience further reinforces the platform's commitment to convenience, as it is streamlined, efficient, and designed to minimize friction, allowing users to complete transactions quickly while maintaining a sense of security and reliability. In addition to functionality, the platform's overall aesthetic contributes to a premium and cohesive feel, where every design element seems purposefully aligned to create a unified and enjoyable browsing environment. This attention to detail enhances user engagement and fosters a sense of trust, making customers more likely to return for future purchases. Beyond just being a transactional platform, Onset manages to create an experience that feels engaging and user-centric, encouraging exploration, discovery, and repeat interaction over time. In an increasingly competitive e-commerce landscape where many platforms struggle to deliver both efficiency and visual harmony, Onset stands out by successfully integrating both aspects into a single, well-executed experience that prioritizes user satisfaction at every level. Overall, it represents a dependable, modern, and thoughtfully designed shopping platform that not only meets expectations but consistently exceeds them, leaving users with a positive, lasting impression and a strong desire to return again and again.